Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you're there to serve the one you love, to serve your love to your lover. And every kiss and every touch you feel, there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 20, NASDAQ off 4, S&P's up 250, gold contract up $5.80, trading at $1,271 an ounce. Silver down 11 cents, $17.31 an ounce. Platinum up $9.50 at $9.49 an ounce. Copper flat, $2.58 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.45, trading out at $48.22 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 1 tick, 126.15. 30-year bond up 9 ticks, 154.28. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, bottom line, they don't want lower price. They want higher price, lower yield. We actually got under the 2.2% today in the 10-year. Right now, you're at 2.206. So pretty amazing, particularly in light that the Federal Reserve is still saying that they're going to go up on short-term rates at the next meeting, which is June 14th. There's an 88% chance, probability chance inside the Fed Fund futures, folks, that that is going to happen. Bottom line, people still are buying bonds, and they're buying more than they're selling. And so what that is doing is raising the price, lowering the yield. King dollar. King dollar just can't handle higher price. King dollar is down 267 ticks. You're trading at 96.945. And inside this King dollar, folks, what you have happening here is that looks like good old King dollar is going to open right at its lows tomorrow. You know, of course, King dollar is going to trade all night. But when our markets get active, you know, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, tomorrow morning, Eastern Standard Time, King dollar closed out at 96.945 in the futures. The low is 96.700. So you are only 245 ticks away from that low. And I expect, more than likely, we're going to see it go after that low. The notes, we go over to the note market first. We take a look at the notes. What you're going to see with the notes, notes closed at 126.15. And the notes have the volume behind the move also. Bottom line is that you actually, 126.06. You did 1.4 million contracts. The rollover is happening right now, too. The high that's going after is 126.10 and 126.13. 126.13 was the spike that we had on the 18th of May. It didn't hold price. 126.10 is the number. And, you know, this pullback that the notes and bonds had, folks, was very minimal. You know, we were at lows on May 11th. From May 11th till the 18th, you went higher. You only pull back. When I say higher, you went to 126.13. You only pull back to 125.14. That's 1.2 ticks, and you took right off again. This thing wants to break its highs. And if we break those highs, that's going to bring the 10-year under 2%. So it's pretty wild watching this whole thing shake out. We go take a look at the S&P. What do you have at the S&P out here today? This is what we have. The SPY closed at 241.44. Bottom line, you're at highs. You know, you had an expansion in volume, but it rejected lower price. Rejected lower price at highs. The SPY would have to get under 240.32. Dow Industrials a little bit different. The Dow, between the financials inside the Dow and the oil stocks, that kept the Dow down $20, big deal, right? Bottom line, though, it's under the 21,070 mark. You're at 21,008. The composite and the NDX 100, they're on their own. That's the bottom line. The composite is sideways move today, down $4.60. You're at highs, 61.98, and the that is at highs. The NDX 100, NDX 100 sideways also, down 580, 57.88, and that's at highs. Now, what we have happening too, you had today and yesterday, window dressing last 2 days of the month. Tomorrow and Friday, big numbers, because what you have happening the first 2 days of each and every month is that you have all the 401k money that's coming into the marketplace. That's going to get put to use. The reason that's going to get put to use is that the fund managers do not get paid unless that money is put to use. If we go over and take a look at the NDX 100, what you're going to see, this is pretty wild. Right at the close out here, the NDX 100, folks, went from a price point of 57.86 to 58, to 58.04. You know, bottom line, it gave everything up this morning. It started at 58.19, got down to 57.63, and just rocketed back topside. We take a look at the now what has happened here. Now this is where it's going to get interesting. Is that, you know, we've got all these, we've got a couple little dojis up here the last couple of days, and now what has happened here is that this is another doji, you know, which is indecision. But when you get dojis at highs, it can be problematic. I suspect that the good old NDX 100, though, is not going to have any huge problems in the next couple of days, you know, because they're just piling on top of basically markets that you had Amazon hit the $1,000. Google got close to it. Google traded to a $9.79 today, then gave it up. Now, Google has some volume off the highs, so this is going to be interesting watching how Google's going to shake out here. It's been a nonstop run topside since $817, April 11th. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. It's not even 2 months. And in fact, if we put them this way, this last run up, started April 21st, May 21st. Yeah, a month and a half, you've gone from $824 to almost $1,000. If we take a look at Amazon, this is pretty amazing. Amazon, April 1st was $833, and you hit $1,000 today. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished down 20, NASDAQ off 4, S&P's up 3. We're going to be coming back with our man, Mr. Chris Gaffney, the president of Everbank World Markets. We're going to be right back, folks.